Good day everyone. I am Shah Mohammed, a research assistant at CASS. Today, I am tackling a tough but important truth. Our immense obsession with AI is blinding us to other critical technologies. Let's face it, AI is dominating the headlines, government policies, and investment flows. But in doing so, it's casting a long shadow over equally promising technologies like quantum computing, 3D printing, and nanotechnology. Here is a reality check. By 2025, the global market size of AI is expected to hit an enormous $757 billion. Now compare that to quantum computing at $1.79 billion, nanotech at $8.78 billion, and 3D printing at $23.41 billion. That's not just uneven, it's wildly disproportionate. Sure, you might say, well, AI offers higher returns. Maybe. But many experts believe we are approaching an AI bubble. Too much money, too little real return. As deep tech investor Tej Kohli puts it, AI is overhyped. By funneling resources disproportionately into it, we are ignoring the massive potential of other emerging technologies. This tunnel vision could actually hurt us in the long run. To build a truly innovative and resilient tech ecosystem, we need to diversify. First, governments must rethink investment strategies, support AI, yes, but also provide incentives for non-AI research and development. Public-private partnerships can help launch local startups in quantum and nanotech, while global collaboration expands the scope. Second, policymakers need to understand that AI won't exist in a vacuum. It's going to intertwine with other sectors. So let's plan for that convergence. And finally, our research institutions should lead the way through interdisciplinary research, blending AI with other sciences and treating it as an enabler, not a silver bullet. Bottom line, it's time to step off the AI bandwagon and start building a broader, smarter tech future. Thanks for tuning in. Please visit CASS website for detailed analysis.